The all-new Toyota Tundra is raising the bar once more with a newly available 3-inch lift kit developed by Toyota Racing Development that makes the already capable full-size pickup bigger and bolder. This new lift kit is available nationwide as a dealer-installed option. The kit not only raises the truck, giving it a heroic appearance and increasing ground clearance by 2.6 inches, it also increases off-road capability with increased approach and departure angles. The approach angle increases from 21 to 26 degrees and departure angle from 24 to 25 degrees. The Tundra TRD lift kit includes all the necessary hardware and is only available for dealer installation. The manufacturer's suggested retail pricing for the kit is $4,000. It is available for model year 2022 and newer Tundra iFORCE and iFORCE-Max models with either the 5.5 or 6.5 foot bed.